Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction. Okay, hanggat maaari, specific message doon sa date. Okay, so it's like prediction. So let's see again before tayo mag-start. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Yes, oo. And syempre, again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items and charms. Okay, so here they are again. Sa mga gusto nang mag-skip ng video, you can skip the video sa reading na. Okay? Pero naka-premiere to. Kailangan nyo talagang hintayin. Oo. So, anyway, so we do have our evil eye protection. So, okay, meron tayong ring. Our ring is adjustable po, no? So, nothing to worry pagdating sa sizes. Okay, so kahit anong size pwede. Kasi na-adjust po yung ating ring. Okay, so we do have dalawang sample ng bracelets. Okay, evil eye protection bracelet. This is adjustable and this is garterized po. Okay, so there. Next is yung ating evil eye protection necklace. Okay, this is unisex by the way. So, ganyan siya. Okay, so there you go. So, doon naman tayo sa tatlo nating, big. The big three, kung sabihin man, the big three, ng Fias Tarot. Yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So, ganyan po siya, ha? Okay, so as you can see, shining, shimmering, splendid. So, meron siyang citrine. Okay po, like this. This is citrine stone, citrine crystal. Okay, so ganyan siya. Yeah. Nanilagay lang po dito sa bracelet. Okay? So, meron siyang mga citrine dyan. Citrine po, ginagamit ng mga businessman, businesswoman, mga business owners. Ginagamit ng, for money po kasi. Money magnet po ang ating citrine. Okay? The merchant stone na sinasabi. So, dala niya is love and money. Madalas, ang unang ibinibigay nito, money. Okay? Tandaan niyo po ha, madalas ang unang ibinibigay nito sa client or sa kanyang, kung saan may-ari sa kanya, money. Kasi madalas ang gusto, kaya ito kinukuha, love. Opo. Na, hindi natin i-deny yun. Hindi natin i-deny. Iba sa inyo talaga. Kinukuha mo to kasi gusto mo yung love. Ang gusto mangyari ni 2-in-1 is mag-focus ka muna sa ibang bagay, which is yung money. Mapapansin mo, bibigyan ka ng bibigyan nito ng pera. Patataasin yung sales mo if ever, bibigyan ka ng maraming customers para doon ma-focus yung iyong energy. Para hindi maging needy yung energy mo when it comes to love. Ganun po, ha? Tactics po yun nitong ating 2-in-1 para hindi kayo mag-focus doon sa love. Bibigyan ka ng bibigyan nito ng money, di ba? Sino bang ayaw nun? And then, kapag nandun na yung focus mo sa kaperahan mo, tsaka siya magbibigay sa'yo ng kung sino man yung pwede for you pagdating sa love. So, wag kang maiinip. Okay? At yes, mag-focus ka sa pera mo. Okay? Ang gaganda ng feedbacks nito. Pagdating sa money, tuwan-tuwa naman. Okay? Tuwan-tuwa mga clients, ng mga customers. Okay? So, yeah. Yung ang ganda lang, every time gigising ka, madam, ang dami kong customer, madam, ganto ganyan. More blessings, more money. And then, makikita ko, madam, merong binibigay sa, parang merong gustong kumonek sa akin ngayon. Pero, hindi ko sure kung ano. Ganon. Anyway, share ko lang, ganun yung kanyang tactics for you. Ha? So, ganun. Para hindi ka masyadong maghintay sa love. Ayaw natin yun. Nagiging needy tayo. Nagsasabotahan kayo eh. Ng gustong mangyari ni Bracelet. At sa gusto mong mangyari, nagsasagupaan na ganun. Okay? So, again, kailangan nyo po itong samahan ha, ng Evil Eye Protection. Okay? So, next, yung ating granter. So, si granter, taga-grant po ng mga minamanifest. Aside sa mga pwedeng ibigay nito. Could be visa, travel, mga ganun pong bagay. Okay? And this is made to order, yung ating granter necklace, and this is unisex. Okay po. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. So, next, yung ating cord cut. Yung cord cut, siya yung magsisilbing tagatanggal. M-A-L-A-S. Yes. Okay, magandang combination. Ito at ito. Okay? Yan ang magandang combination. Yeah. Yes. Anyway, so it's up to you. Makikita mo naman yan kung magtatanong ka sa aming page. Ibibigay naman lahat ng details. Okay? So, dito hindi ko masasabi lahat yun. Ang haba nun. Anyway, so yes, yun nga. Ang haba na nga ngayon eh. Di po ba? Pero, siya yung tagatanggal ng alat. Okay? Para mag-boost business mo, career mo, buhay mo. Okay? Health, siguro. Okay? Kasi panglahatan na po ito eh. Kung makikita nyo. Panglahatan na. Okay? Pwede sa bahay. Pwede sa business. Pwede pang sarili. And syempre, yung ating cleansing kit. White sage and selenite. Okay? So, limited lang yung ating cleansing kit. Tanong na lang po tayo kay admin kung meron pa po. No? I don't know kung may available pa, pero tanong na lang din po kayo kay admin. So, admin, meron pa po ba kayong cleansing kit? Kasi sabi ni madam, limited lang po yun. Oo. So, again, kung meron pa pong mga tanong, message na lang po, ha? Sasagot naman si admin. Minsan ako yung nasagot. Oo, kapag busy siya. Sinisingit ko talaga yung pagsasagot ng mga inquiries. Kasi matatabunan talaga eh. Yes, oo, ang dami-dami na natin. Thank you sa mga sumusuport at susuport pa. Okay, so, air signs. So, reading starts at 7:54. Okay. So, air signs. What's for you? Ngayong, kung anong date na nakalagay dyan. Okay. Gusto ko specific. Prediction. Lovers in reversed. King of Cups. Some of you, merong energy. Ito, sabihin ko, hindi para sa lahat. Pero may nakukuha kong energy dito na pwedeng meron kang makakakonect. And this is somebody who is a green flag. Mismo ngayong araw nang nasa date. Okay? Kaya po, inilalagay ko is date kinabukasan. Kasi nga po, prediction. Opo, ha? Bakit po mali yung date? Prediction po, ha? Okay, ganun po. May nakita kasi ako, madam, bakit mali yung ano mo? Pambukas pa yan eh. Inuunahan nga po natin. Okay? So, Page of Swords. So, there's a communication, connection na pwedeng start. Pwedeng sabihin nating mangyari. Okay? Dito sa date na nakalagay. The Page of Pentacles. There could be two people trying to connect. Okay? So, what else for you, air signs? The Knight of Swords in reversed. The Devil. So, ito specific, hinay-hinay. Oo, yung word na hinay-hinay. Okay? Huwag masyadong magmadali. Huwag masyadong magmadali. Lalo na kung patungkol sa pera. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong parang bigla-bigla na lang maglilimit ng kung ano man pagdating sa pera mo. Okay? Avoid ninyong makipag-argue with a Capricorn or an air sign like you. Avoid arguments with a Capricorn. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles in reverse. I'm hearing absent or pwedeng hindi papasok. Excuse me. Sa work. Yeah, and the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Absent. Hindi ko alam kung absent or talagang walang pasok, no? Okay. Meron ditong taong parang gustong-gusto talaga, like, the attention. Gusto nila ng attention mo. Gusto nila ng pansin mo. Lalo na sa workplace. Yeah, the Four of Wands. Page of Cups. Some of you, meron talagang nagkaka-crush sa'yo. Wala naman masyado. So, it's like energy ng buong araw lang. Yun lang ang ating kinukuha, no? So, kung meron akong makukuhang for future, so sasabihin ko naman agad-agad, like future. Okay? So, this is for the future lang. Like kinabukasan. Parang ganon. Okay? So, wala naman masyadong ganap. Yeah. Anyway. So, there. So, next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. So, what's for you? Prediction. Para sa araw. Na nakalagay sa title. Prediction. Ngayong araw. Okay. Sa date na nakalagay po, ha? Sa date na nakalagay. Let's see. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. The Eight of Pentacles. Ten of Wands in reversed. Ang dami ko naririnig na hindi papasok. Bakit? Or absent. What's with the Ten of Wands in reverse? Pwedeng yun nga, like, gawa nga ng panahon, no? Parang ganun, like, may masususpend. Something like that. May masususpend. Yeah. See? The Ace of Swords in reverse. Suspension. What else? Seven of Pentacles. Death in reversed. Parang may kukuha ng sabihin nating focus mo. Could be somebody na pwedeng galing sa past. Galing sa past. Yeah. The Ace of Cups in reverse, the Hermit. Hindi malabong kung sino man ito na galing sa past mo is magpa-ramdam sa'yo. Ngayong araw po, na nasa date. Okay? So, may chance kung sino man to pwedeng ginost ka nito. Yeah, pwedeng ginost ka. Iba sa kanila open. Some of them, they're stalking you right now. They are stalking you. Nagbabalak tong taong to. Kung hindi man ngayon talaga gagawa ng action, nagbabalak siya. Okay? Na bumalik. Could be could be an earth sign, water, and Scorpio. What else? The Eight of Swords. I'm hearing blackout. What's with that Eight of Swords? Yeah, brownout. See? They have, candles. Diba? Flashlight. I can't see. Parang ganun. So, just be ready. Be ready. Just be ready. Okay? Ihanda. Mga, the emergency kit. Mga ganyang bagay. I don't know. Pero, yeah, the full. Yes, this is plans. So, just be ready. Okay? Gusto ko pang kumuha ng energy dito. Eight of Swords and the Hermit. May nag-iisip sa'yo. Could be a Libra. Gemini, Libra, Aqua. We have here Virgo. Some of you, pwedeng makakuha ng kasagutan tungkol sa isang legal issue. Legal matter. Okay? Pwedeng hindi ngayon, pero nakukuha ko yun pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Pero mas maganda kung ngayon, no? So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see. What is for our water signs? Water signs. Okay. Justice in reversed. Why is that? The Sun. Somebody is lying. Cheating. Who is this? Excuse me. Who is this? Could be a Libra or a Leo. Okay, let's see. What's with this? Yeah, the Page of Swords in reversed. Somebody's giving attention to other people. Somebody. Meron kayo mahuhuli or pwedeng sila may mahuhuli sa'yo. Okay? Somebody's stalking. Somebody will stalk. And doon may malalaman. Hindi ko alam kung stalking to or talagang inaaral lang yung mga galaw, sitwasyon. Some of you, you'll get to hear a rumor. Somebody will maybe share. No, Ace of Swords Universe. Grabe. Water signs. Ang dami namang nakatago dito. And the Five of Swords Universe. Somebody, pwedeng there could be an air sign na parang kailangan nilang mag-tell ng white lies sa'yo to avoid maybe cutting off or to avoid separation or breakup or arguments. This is white lies. They will give you mixed signals. Okay? Yeah, the Six of Cups in reverse. I don't know if somebody is still connected or still connecting to a past person. Okay? Yeah, the World in reverse. This is past. May biglang magme-message galing sa past. May biglang magme-message and itatago. Five of Pentacles in reversed. Queen of Cups. Who's this Queen of Cups in reversed? The Eight of Cups in reversed. So, somebody will need or parang yung energy kasi na nandito, water signs, they need you. Okay, I don't know kung help, support. Okay? Pero there's this somebody na parang gumugusto talagang bumalik. Hindi ko alam bakit. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron. Okay? So, parang iba sa inyo stuck pa rin sa past. Pinapakita lang din dito kasi some of you, this is your energy. You're still attached to a person from the past. Parang ganyan. So, bumababa yung frequency mo, water signs. Kung ikaw nga to. Okay? Anyway. Ang daming galing sa past, water signs. My gosh. So, next. Our earth signs. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What is for our earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. The Three of Cups reversed. What's with our Three of Cups na naka-reversed? The Queen of Wands. Okay. So, nasa spotlight ka, earth signs. You're in the spotlight. Pwedeng ikaw ay pinag-uusapan ngayon. Lalo na mga friends mo. Okay? Ipakita. Ten of Pentacles. Some of you, pwedeng kinakainggitan ka ngayon, earth sign. Pinag-chichismisan ka. Mga ganyang bagay ba? Okay? Ano tong Three of Cups in reversed? Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. Some of you, pwedeng meron silang mga yun nga, pinag-uusapan ka, hindi mo alam na iba sa kanila, meron silang GC na hindi ka kasali. Excuse me, parang ganun. They're like backstabbing you. Backstabbing. Nakata ko si Ten of Ten of Swords. Okay? So, what else? Hindi mo kailangan maging available ngayong araw, ngayong yung date na yan. Hindi mo kailangan na parang available ka, open na open ka. Okay? So, what else? The Three of Pentacles. Six of Wands reversed. So, naririnig ko yung salitang sabotahe pagdating sa workplace. Okay, maiiwas sa issue. Maiiwas sa issue. Isasalba yung sarili, iiwanan yung iba. Parang may ganon. Three of Wands. Nandiyan yung pagtalikod eh. Hindi ko alam kung sino man to na parang inaasahan mo, natutulungan ka, hindi ka tutulungan. Their back is turned. The High Priestess in reverse. What's with that? The Devil. I'm hearing somebody's overthinking or overthinking or obsessing. What's with the High Priestess in reversed? Six of Pentacles in the reversed. O siguro parang yung energy is parang one-sided. Kaya parang mapapagtanto nung isa is like parang merong iba, mga ganyan. So, I don't know if that's talking about pag-overthink lang or guni-guni, agam-agam, mga ganyang bagay. Pero sabihin nating mapapag-usapan. May mapapag-usapan tungkol dyan. Okay? So, yeah, the Ten of Swords. Again, the Ten of Pentacles. The Ten of Swords. Yung ibang nakapaligid sa'yo, earth signs, lagi nakaganito. Lagi nakaganyan sa'yo, nakahingi. Asahan nyo, some of you, ikaw tong bibigay. Kung kaya nyong humindi minsan, gawin nyo. Okay? Kasi nandun na yung salitang abuso. Yeah. Anyway, so there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. All signs, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Goodbye.